Good Lord. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I gotta get the pump going here. Got concrete coming in 3 hours. Oh, not a whole lot of standing water, just at the edge, so hopefully with any schmuck we can get this drained. Otherwise we're going to be out here with towels and buckets. Careful. Well, there she is, boys, ready for the concrete decks. Got the wire in, just got to tie it together. What else? Oh, the spantrums joint. We got spantrums joint around it. I don't know why they call it spantrums joint, but any words. I'm gonna go have myself a spantrums joint and friggin' well, a bit of a coffee choplet, and then any minute now I'll be ready for the big pour, hey? The big pour in Inwood. Copy? How you doing?
Looks like you're getting an apron today.
An apron?
Or whatever this is.
A burnout pad. That's what that was supposed to be, but you can't even park on it. Just sink right in like a fucker. Let alone do burnout, just chew it right up.
Right.
Oh, I can't believe it's actually happening. I don't know, I'm like excited, but I'm nervous at the same time because, again, if it was crawdad, wouldn't even be a thing, but all I know of these guys is a few pictures I've seen on the internet.
Why didn't you just lay those pieces back down?
That was under the hoist, but when I got this asphalt put in, you know, they've left a bunch. I mean, you can still see where it's low beside the drain, but they were f***ing around, so they put another layer on it, built it up too high, so then my hoist was sitting underwater all the time, every time it rained, right?
Oh, really?
I can barely contain myself. Yeah. What happened? Did I f*** up? Did I f*** up?
No, that's how I tie the wire. I just snap one and bend it over.
Oh. Like we've already had rain and no water sits on this at all now, so I'm happy.
Yes. You Ricky Holmes?
Am I Ricky Holmes?
That's not. Fuck, that's what he already called me up. So where are you? Inwood. Oh, yeah, I gotta get some money then. Ricky Holmes.
Yeah, I'm Ricky Holmes.
Yeah, that's what I said too.
friggin' awesome.
Now, winter handling charges water the rotator, but that would be.
Water's running the right way anyway. Decent. They just left you to finish it?
No, I dropped them off at the store there.
Oh, you guys didn't need anything at the store, did you?
What's that?
You didn't need anything
Oh,
at the
yeah,
store?
I'm plowing that right now. We're gonna darb it up here and then we'll still have to wait a little bit before
Yeah.
we run a broom across here.
Still a little damp.
Yeah, we're gonna put the chemicals in.
Oh, nice. Right on. That's what I like to hear. Didn't put the chemicals in. Finally?
Hold on here, I just want to look at it here. Yeah.
Nice. Burr.
Yeah.
A little bit. They're out here pretty late. Yeah, it was still pretty wet. Yeah, that's not good. This is still just full of the water. They didn't put the chemical in the winter guard. So, I don't know. I think it was down to 1 degree last night. I mean, surely that'll all knock off, but man, that looks like shit. Well, let's see how she turns out. And yeah, my new one. Burnout pad, boys. Decent. What am I doing? I gotta get the hoist apart here. And I gotta get my undercurd on. I gotta get my undercurd on terrible. Of course, I bought the wrong size. Measured it. It's 3/4 inch slot, but those go. I don't know. They don't fit. So let's just check my stash because, like, I got all kinds of stuff, and a lot of times I buy things that I already have because I've got so much shit that I forget all the shit that I have. And yeah, it's happened more than thrice, I could say with certainty. As I think, if I'm not mistaken. These look like 3/4 inch too. A couple of these skinny bastards, but I swear I had Moa. I had way Moa. This is where it gets into the realm where you're looking for something you're not 100% sure that you even have, and then you quit and go to Home Depot. Oh, mother lord.
How you doing?
Too bad?
Got your spin all in?
Yep. Not sure how that comes off, but
What's that?
says I'm not sure how that comes off, but there it is. Okay, well, don't bust other stuff taking it out.
Yeah. Yep. Same thing. You want this?
Sure. How many's this one got on it?
I don't know.
223.
Yep. I figured that was close to that because.
Orange. Fancy.
Orange, yeah. I have 2 pieces, so it's okay if I pee somewhere at the
Sure.
side there, yeah.
There's a Doniker. There's an outhouse right over here, if you want. Right behind. See that white van?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, right behind that white van. You'll love it. What are you doing?
I need oil, you know, engine oil, good, no.
Oh,
No new the oil. It's very good, huh?
yeah. What if that drips on it?
No, oil. I need a.
Yeah. Drip, drip.
Oh, no,
This?
here.
No.
No, yeah.
You.
Okay. Hey,
Burr. No, too muchy.
how much money?
Yeah. Burr.
How much money?
10,000. Everything. Over here.
Oh, for there.
This one? From here?
Yeah, everything. Oh, that's okay.
Yeah. Burr, I call.
No oil.
Oh, tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
What color?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.